Where's the pizza? Oh, cheese. Go, Frankie. Oh, yay. Good job.
Are you a bit grumpy?
Hell, that's... You should just put the cushion.
Just turn into a big cushion. Just put Frankie back in her bed. You can probably hear her crying because she's still very tired. Oh, yep, okay, we don't need that. Good morning, world.
Sounded like an Alan Jones sign on.
Me?
Yeah.
Today we are going to Comboyne. I don't know why I did that. Today we are going to Comboyne, Jacob's hometown.
Where's the pizza? Oh, cheese. Frankie. Oh, yay. Good job. Don't pull it back out. Frankie, hey. You're evil. What are you doing there, Frankie? Did you get the keys?
You ready to go? Woo! Are you ready to go?
Already.
Woo!
Just watching out for little kitties behind.
We don't want that, do we? Alright.
Let's go. You going?
That Jake?
That's Dad's old festy.
Hello.
What are you doing up here? Whee! What are you? I don't even know. Ding ding!
What an interesting new house to explore. Oh, careful.
Okay, outside you go. Out you go.
My life, chasing after my humans. Where are you going? I don't think anyone's home. Where's Daddy? Get him. Get him.
Frankie. Hi.
Ooh.
Hey, Frankie.
Bye bye bye. That's me, I'm Mama.
Yeah, put some those in there, a couple of goldfish, some point.
Face. We are back from comboyne. That was very dirty. We'll just put Frankie back in her bed. You can probably hear her crying because she's still very tired. And this one is very awake. Anyway, that was a fun day. I thought I'd just vlog today because it was a fun day up at comboyne, running around the farm. And now I think I'm gonna go sit down because my ankles feel like ankles. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, follow. Have a great day. Oh, go. Yep.